Are you looking for the best clothing iron? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best clothing iron on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Black+Decker Allure Professional Steam Iron D3030. The Black+Decker Allure Steam Iron D3030 creates strong whooshes of steam. Its stainless steel plate glides smoothly across a variety of fabrics, and its handle is comfortable to hold and use. It's an extremely good and affordable iron. Even though the heating element in our first test unit broke after about a year, we easily traded it in for a replacement, thanks to its 2-year warranty. Since then, it's been reliably working for us with no issues since 2016, which is impressive for any iron, but especially an iron at this price. The Black+Decker used to be our budget pick, but after performing so reliably for nearly a decade, we think it's the best value for most people. Number 2. Qi Electronic Iron. The Qi Electronic Iron with retractable cord 13102 is one of the best irons I've tested, and it's been a reliable performer for us since 2019 on clothes, household textiles, and sewing projects, where it really shines. Its steam bursts are smooth and powerful, and its sole plate gets nice and hot for more intensive pressing. It has a retractable cord that makes it easy to store, and it has a long, 30 minutes, auto shut-off time when you leave it vertical. That's helpful for sewists and crafters who want an iron that stays hot while they're working on a project. We've noticed that the 13102 can sometimes be hard to find, in which case we recommend the almost identical 13106 model. This similar model doesn't have the easy-to-read digital display or an indicator light to note when it reaches temperature, but otherwise it performs exactly the same. The Qi used to be our top pick, and we still think it's an excellent iron, but these availability issues, and its higher price, is why we now recommend the Black+Decker for more casual ironers. Number 3. Black+Decker Allure Professional Steam Iron D3030. We've been recommending the Black+Decker Allure Steam Iron D3030 since 2016, and it's still the best iron I've found for under $50. It's lightweight and powerful. This Black+Decker iron consistently produces stronger bursts of steam than more powerful irons I've tried. It glides smoothly across every fabric I've tested and has a comfortable handle, and it flattens tough wrinkles and creases. It's not quite as powerful as our other pick, the Qi, but it's significantly lighter. It weighs 2 pounds 13 ounces when empty, and the Qi is 3 pounds 8.6 ounces. It heats up fast and needs fewer refills than other irons. The D3030 reaches the hottest setting and begins producing steam in about 30 seconds, which is lightning fast compared with most irons I've tried. Irons typically need about a minute to get up to temp. Our other pick, the Qi, needs a minute and a half. The auto shut-off feature kicks in after 30 seconds if you leave its sole plate down, and after 8 minutes if it's sitting vertically, which is standard for the majority of irons I've tested, although the Qi, our also great pick, stays on for 30 minutes when sitting vertically. It has a 14-ounce water tank, the biggest of our picks, and one of the biggest I've ever tested. As a result, it produces steam for longer than any other iron I've tested. It lasts about 22 minutes before needing a refill. The iron I needed to refill the most in recent testing lasted about 11 minutes. Number 4. Qi Electronic Iron with Retractable Cord 13106. The 1700-watt Qi Electronic Iron with retractable cord 13102 is a fantastic steam iron. It's more expensive than our top pick, but it's performed so reliably since 2019 that we think it's a worthwhile investment. If you can't find the 13102, we recommend the almost identical 13106 model. It glides with ease. The Qi 13102 is one of the most comfortable irons I've ever used. The ceramic sole plate, Qi's marketing says it's titanium infused, whatever that means, glides more easily across most fabrics than the stainless steel plates of the Black+Decker, and it gets hot enough for tasks where you need high heat, like pressing clothes.